welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another Savannah haul. And in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing Pinteresty cardigan from Savannah. So yes guys, make sure to watch this video till the end and let me know in the comment box below by end of this video that which item from today's haul did you like the most. So yes guys, now without any further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, in this haul, as I already informed you guys that I have some cute Pinteresty cardigans. So yes guys, make sure to watch it. And if you already follow me on Instagram, you already know, you have already seen me wearing it. And then if you haven't, please, you are missing out on so many things. So make sure to follow me on @confusedgirl right here. So yes guys, that's the update. So now let's get started, okay? Since I wore this cardigan last time in one of my video right here, I'll put the thumbnail. And then you guys asked me where this cardigan is from. So yes guys, this is from Savannah. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me. It is perfect for winter. Ta-da! Which is in red color. Yeah guys. And the best part of this cardigan is this bow. And you guys already know that I'm in my bow era. And then this is the one that I have with me. It has this perfect fit on me. And I'm in size small. And it has this button closer. And can we appreciate the buttons design of these buttons right here? Like small details matters. This is a beaded knit cardigan, and then you can see the effort right here guys, the design. Oh my god, absolutely love this pearl design going on here in this pocket area. And then it has this small cute pocket, and it has this button closer to it. And I'm in size small, and it is a polyester material, and it has this full length sleeves, and it has this round neck shape, and I just absolutely love it. You can style this in multiple ways guys, trust me. Absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the first cardigan that I have with me. So if you're looking for this red cardigan, just go for it, okay? And guys, it is available in cream color as well. And for this one, it just cost me 1490 rupees. And I think in 1490 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, this is the first cute cardigan that I have with me. Okay, so another cute pullover that I have with me is this great pullover. It is known as bow knit pullover guys. मैंने बोला था ना मैं ऐसा बो वाला एरा में हूँ करके. So this is another one guys. Just look at it. It has this bow to it, and it has this white collar like this right here, and it is giving me pura Korean vibes, K-pop vibe. Drama में लड़की लोग बहुत ऐसा पहनता है. And you can see that it is very stretchable. This is in one size only. You won't get any other sizes. And again, it has this full length sleeves going on, which I absolutely love it, and it fits me so well, and it's so cute. And again, highlight of this sweater is this bow right here. आप bow add कर दो, इतना ज़्यादा cute लगेगा ना. I don't know, I am finding these bows very cute these days guys. And then yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and its original price is, wait, okay, its original price is 1492 rupees, but on sale it cost me 1032 rupees. And I think in 1032 it is a cute deal guys. To be honest, मेरे पास में grey वाला collection बहुत less है, so that's why I decided to go for this one. So this is the second cute item that I have with me. Okay, so another item that I have with me in this haul is this cute cardigan, like pink cardigan. Pink can never go wrong. And this is pura Korean wala vibe guys, trust me. इतना ज़्यादा Korean wala vibe है ना इसका. Just look at it. So pretty. I love to wear cardigan these days, and this fur design, this is a net wala design, itna zyada acha dikhta hai. And can we appreciate the buttons design of this buttons right here guys, itna zyada royal wala vibe hai. And again, it has this round neck to it. It is a polyester material, and it bahut zyada stretchable hai. You can see that. Again, it is in one size. Iska dusra size aapko nahi milega. And it is also available in blue color. Sleeves mein bhi aapko aisa wala design milega. And it has this ribbed material here, ribbed design going on here, which I absolutely love. This is so cute guys, which is in pink color. And for this one, it cost me 1192 rupees, and I think in 1192 it is a great deal. Okay, so another item that I have with me is this color block knit cardigan. Like this is in white color. मैंने ये भी already use कर चुकी हूँ. And then this is the one that I have with me guys. Wait, okay, ये थोड़ा उल्टा होकर पड़ा है मैंने, because I have already used it ना, इसलिए ये वाला है guys. Just look at it. So cute, which is in white and black color. And इसका ना बटन का इसमें भी थोड़ा सा बो वाला दिया हुआ है. ये वाला देखो, वो वाला दिया हुआ है, ये वाला ना ऐसा बटन, दो डबल बटन ऐसा दिया हुआ है डिजाइन. एंड देन दिस इज द वन गाइस, इसका लेंथ दूसरा कार्डिगन से थोड़ा लंबा है. यू कैन सी दैट ऐसा वाला करके ना, वेरी क्यूट. इट इज अ पोलिएस्टर मटेरियल एंड वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल, एंड अगेन इट इज इन वन साइज, बट आई जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. एंड अगेन इट हैज दिस लॉन्ग स्लीव्स टू इट, ऐसा वाला डिजाइन है हाथ पर. एंड देन इट हैज दिस राउंड नेक टू इट. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द कलर, लव द मटेरियल, love the fit. थोड़ा सा लूज फिट है ये वाला, but I just absolutely love it. So yes guys, this is another one that I have with me, and for this one it cost me 1096 rupees, and I think in 1096 it is a steal deal. Okay, so now last but not the least, ये वाला इतना ज्यादा आप लोगों ने मुझे पूछा किधर से लिया है, because I have already used this one and I have like uploaded a picture on Instagram and you guys asked me so much like किधर से लाया है. So yes guys, it is from Savannah, like this one. Just look at it. I absolutely love it, love this one guys, trust me. इतना ज्यादा cute है ना ये one. Just look at it. How can you not love it? First of all, I love this pearl design going on. पूरा royal वाला vibe दिया हुआ है, and ये सिर्फ डिजाइन है. ओके, ये वाला पॉकेट नहीं है इसमें, इस नीचे में ही पॉकेट है. जैसे देखो ऐसा नीचे वाला में ही पॉकेट है. एंड आई लव दिस बटन डिजाइन गोइंग ऑन, वेरी रॉयल. इतना ज्यादा अच्छा वाला मटेरियल है ना गाइज, एंड इट हैज दिस लॉन्ग स्लीव्स टू इट, एंड स्लिट के नीचे में भी आपको ऐसा वाला दिया हुआ है. जस्ट लुक एट इट, ऐसा वाला दिया हुआ है. एंड देन इट हैज दिस राउंड नेक टू इट. इतना ज्यादा क्यूट है गाइज, absolutely love it. It is a woolen blend coat and it is a nylon material. So perfect for winter guys. If you want to look so royal in this winter, in this winter season, go for this one guys. I just absolutely love it. And it is also available in black color, and this is an off-white color, and I'm in size small. For this one it cost me 1374 rupees. ये offer में था ना, so guys मैंने ले लिया because it is so good. This is the last item that I have with me in this haul, so please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.